Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to fix disconnected from server on Roblox. If you ever receive the disconnected from server Roblox error message, then here are some troubleshooting methods you could try and follow. The first thing to do is to make sure that you are using a supported browser. Also, make sure to use an updated version of your browser to play Roblox. You can also try switching between a different browser. For example, if you are using Microsoft Edge, you can go ahead and switch to Firefox or Chrome. In order to update your browser to the latest version, go to the top right hand corner. I'm doing this on my Microsoft Edge. Click on the three dots at the top right hand corner and from the options, click on the settings button. From the settings menu, click on this About Microsoft Edge button at the bottom and check for available updates for your Microsoft Edge or any other web browser. Go ahead and update to the latest version by clicking on this Restart button if any updates are available for your web browser. Once you update your web browser to the latest version, you might be able to solve your problem. Another thing to check is if you have enabled any ad block on your browser. You can simply disable any kind of an ad blocker browser or add-ons. Click on the three dots at the top right hand corner and click on this extension option. If you've enabled any ad blocker, simply go ahead and click on the three dots right next to the ad block feature and click on remove from the Microsoft Edge or any other web browser option. Now click on the remove button one more time in the pop-up, and once you are done uninstalling your ad block, you might be able to solve your Roblox issue. Go to roblox.com and see if that fixes your issue. If that still doesn't work, then make sure to log out of your Roblox account. Simply go and click on the gear icon at the top right hand corner and click the log out button. Once you log out of your Roblox account, log in back again by entering your credentials and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the most easiest troubleshooting methods which might help you resolving your Roblox disconnected from server error. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.